I would say go read that story, but I know some of you are not gonna read, so here's your nutshell version. Mrs. Liesel Human covered this story about a certain group of Kalk Bay residents who are complaining about their water bill that went from 200 Rand to over 5,000 Rand. They have been writing letters to the Ombudsman and to the city of Cape Town trying to get this water bill story sorted because they cannot afford it. I'm not saying there's a story behind the story, but there might just be a story behind the story. In 2018, Forbes magazine listed Kalk Bay as the coolest neighborhood in the world. For those who haven't been to Kalk Bay before, Kalk Bay is definitely a cool neighborhood, and if Kalk Bay was a person, it will probably look like this. And here's another fact. In 2020, home and house prices in Kalk Bay went up by 1 million Rand every year. I'm not an expert in property, but it sounds a little bit drastic.